Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to make an out-of-pocket expense-free agent. Let's start on the free agent overview page. This is your main dashboard, and it's where you can quickly jump into different areas of your account. Take a moment to make sure you're in the right company and you have access to expenses. If your company uses approvals, you'll want the right permissions before you begin. Next, look for the expenses area in the main navigation. You'll usually find it on the sidebar or along the top menu, labeled clearly as expenses. Go ahead and open that section to view the expenses workspace. This area stores all out-of-pocket claims and makes it easy to add new ones. In the expenses section, head to the top right and choose Add New. A small menu will appear. Select Expense. This tells Free Agent you're creating a standard out-of-pocket expense rather than something like mileage or a bill. You'll now be on the new expense form. Start by clicking the claimant field. Choose the person who paid out of pocket. If you're submitting your own claim, pick yourself. If you manage expenses for a team, select the colleague who incurred the cost. This makes sure reimbursement and reporting are assigned to the right person. Next, click the type field. Pick the option that best describes the nature of the expense entry. This helps Free Agent handle it correctly behind the scenes and keeps your records consistent. Then, click Category. Choose the accounting category that matches the purchase, such as travel, subsistence, or office costs, according to your internal policy. Selecting the correct category improves reporting and ensures the right tax treatment. If you're unsure which category to pick, check your company's chart of accounts or ask your finance contact before saving. Click the dated field and select the date the expense was incurred. It's best to match the date on the receipt so your reports and project costs line up accurately. If the expense spans multiple days, choose the primary purchase date. Now, click Currency. Select the currency you actually paid in. If it's different from your base currency, Free Agent will handle the conversion using the appropriate rate. Later, you can review exchange impacts in your reports if needed. Once everything looks good, finish by clicking Create New Expense to save. That's it. You've captured an out-of-pocket expense quickly and cleanly. Before you move on, take a final glance over claimant, type, category, date, and currency to prevent rework later. Consistency here pays off in clear reports and smooth reimbursements.